So to solve this question, what we're going to do is we're going to represent this way, and we're going to take the square roots of both sides. So this cancels, and then we have y plus 2 squared equals plus or minus 4. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to use each of these answers. So we have y plus 2. We're going to first of all expand the bracket. Let's expand the bracket. So y times y gives us y squared, 2y plus 4 plus or minus 4. Then this gives us y squared plus 4y plus 4 equals plus or minus 4. Now we're going to use each of this. Y squared plus 4y plus 4, starting with a plus, okay, starting with a minus. Let's start with a plus. So equals plus 4. So when this comes here, we have y squared plus 4y plus 4 minus 4 equals 0. This goes, okay? So we're left with y squared plus 4y equals 0. We're going to factor out y because y is common. So it means y is equal to 0 or y plus 4 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 or y is equal to minus 4. This is the first solution. Now, making use of the negative, because the one we used initially was the plus. So we're going with the negative 4. So we have y squared plus 4y plus 4 equals minus 4. So we have it as y squared plus 4y plus 4 plus 4 equals 0 when it comes here. So we have y squared plus 4y plus 8 equals 0. We have to use the formula method for this one. Okay, so from here we're going to substitute the values of a, c, and b in this equation. Our b is 4, our a is 1, and our c is 8. So we have minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 squared minus 4.1.8 all over 2.1. This gives us minus 4 plus or minus 16 minus 32 all over 2 times 1, 2. We have minus 4 plus or minus 16 all over 2 minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 dot square root of minus 1 all over 2. So this gives us minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4, root minus 1 is an imaginary number I, all over 2. So now we're going to factor out what is common. 2 is common in all of this, so we have plus or minus 2i all over 2. This goes. So we have values for y. Remember, the first solution we had was y equals 0 or y equals minus 4. Here we have two solutions already. Y equals minus 2 plus 2i, and y again equals minus 2 minus 2i. So this is y1, y2, alright, this is y3 and y4. So these are the solutions for this given equation. 4 solutions. Thanks for watching.